you've been outside struggling what to eat and you don't know simply what to eat, you have to put your proteins in, nothing works, maybe it's Sunday, maybe it's holiday, maybe it's not a working day, and you definitely need a quick solution what to put in your mouth because it seems impossible. Don't worry, you came to the right place. This video is going to teach you exactly that, like the survival kit. By the way, my name is Boris Kish. I'm a certified nutritionist, fitness coach, and super heavyweight category in the category above 100 kilos. Let's get started. First option that always pretty much works is McDonald's. What to eat in McDonald's? You can take crispy chicken stripes without pommes, without anything, without any kind of sauce, French fries, whatsoever. Just take them and take the water and remove the covering. Pretty much everywhere where you can go, remove the covering from the chicken. Take 2, 3, 4 portions, as much as you want, and eat them. This is the best choice when you're in the McDonald's. For the Burger King, pretty much it goes the same. You can also add chicken nuggets or chicken McNuggets there in McDonald's, and also remove the breading and remove the covering and eat them. 10, 15, 20 pieces, 40 pieces, doesn't matter, as much as you want. This is like the best, unhealthiest, healthy version that you can find in that kind of situation where you won't put any extra fat and carbs that you simply don't have to put when you are struggling and surviving outside. Second option is KFC. In KFC, pretty much you can order any kind of chicken bucket, again, chicken stripes. The best option there would be grilled chicken. Without sauces, without coverings, without French fries, without colas, without anything. Just take mineral water or normal water, that is without gas or bubbles, how do you say that in English, and remove again the covering, remove the outer layer, and eat as much as you can. If you can eat party bucket for 2 persons, for 4 persons, doesn't matter considering how big you are, but you can take that and eat that without any problems and hesitations. Third options are gyros or kebab shop. I live in Vienna, Austria. We have them everywhere, but I think pretty much wherever you live, you can find one that works non-stop or till really late. You can order gyros or kebab, only meat. Take 2, 3 portions, tell them, give me only meat, give me only salad, onions, if you want, tomatoes as well. And this is the best protein fitness meal replacement that you can find when you're out there. Option number 4, like the crappiest option when you really don't have anything else, and the alternative is the gas station. What can you eat at the gas station? There are gas stations that have everything, that have tuna cans where you can buy, cottage cheese, etc., but let's talk about some small crappy gas station that doesn't have anything. Then you have to take nuts and almonds. Those are the best protein, healthy fat, low carb sources that you can find at the gas station. And of course water as well, and eat as much as you can. Maybe 1 small bag, 2 bags, I don't know, 100 grams, 200-300 grams, depends how hungry you are. They're going to make you feeling full and not hungry for quite some time. This is the best, healthiest, unhealthiest, or vice versa, as you want to say it, option that you can find at the gas station. So I gave you the 4 basic survival options when you're outside, so that you don't destroy your condition completely, and that you don't remain hungry if you really haven't, brought anything with you, and if you don't have time or maybe enough resources to go to the decent restaurant. You can always eat something like this and find them in the place and in the city where you live. And the bonus tip, no matter where you live, no matter where you are, if you want to work with me, my email is in my profile description. I will be more than happy to work one-on-one with you. No matter where you live, we can find a list and we can find proper places where you can find this SOS life belt eating solution if something like this happens. And let's be honest, this is completely normal and it happens to all of us sooner or later. Write me in the comment section if you have any other suggestions, and please like and subscribe if you like this video. Till next time, God bless, bye.